In front of me is Huawei P50 packet, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into settings and tap on Bluetooth. Now click on the switch next to Bluetooth feature to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to and wait for the pop-up. Now select pair in it and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but you can always disconnect them by tapping on this little gear icon next to the device and choosing Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!